Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am going to start microbes in sewage treatments. In previous class, we have already discussed microbes used as a biofertilizers. So, bacteria, fungi, and cyanobacteria are the main components for the biofertilizers. So, now discuss microbes in sewage treatments. Sewage is the municipal waste water containing large amount of and large quantity of human excreta. Human excreta is the major components of sewage. So what is the need for sewage treatment? Sewage contain large amount of organic matters and microbes out of which many are pathogenic, so it cannot be discharged into natural water bodies like river, streams, etc. indirectly. Before disposal, sewage has to be treated in sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plants is STP, that stand for sewage treatment plant, in order to make it less polluted. So it cannot be discharged into natural water bodies. The treatments of water body is done by the heterotrophic microbes naturally present in the sewage. This is carried out in two ways. So first is also known as primary sewage treatment and second is also known as secondary sewage treatment. First is primary sewage treatment and second secondary sewage treatment. So first we discuss primary sewage treatment. Primary sewage treatment is also known as physical treatment because it is basically involves physical removal of a small and large floating and suspended solids from sewage through filtrations and sedimentations. Initially, floating debris is removed by subsequential filtration. Then the gills is the mixture of soil and small pebbles are removed by sedimentations in settling tank. Aluminium or iron sulfate is added in certain places for flux. All sites that aluminium or iron sulfate is added in certain place for fluctuations. All solids that settle from the primary slugs, it trap a lot of microbes and debris. The supernatant from the effluents, this effluent is taken from the primary settling tank for secondary treatments. So now discuss the secondary treatments. Secondary treatment is also known as the biological treatment. This treatment is also known as biological treatment. Biological treatment and primary treatment is known as physical treatment. Physical treatments. It is known as biological treatments because it involves the use of microbes or microbiota for the treatments of sewage. The effluents from primary treatment is passed into large aeration tank where it is constantly mechanically irrigated and air is pumped it. So in secondary treatments, primary influence under treatments in pressure into large aeration tank in the presence of air pump and where it is this air help in the growth of useful aerobic microbes into flux. Flux is the mass of bacteria associated with fungal filaments to form mesh-like structures. While growing, these microbes consume major parts of organic matters, converting it into microbial biomass and biochemical oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand BOD. It is denoted as biological oxygen demand. So the sewage water is treated till the BOD is reduced. When BOD of effluents is reduced significantly, it is then passed into a settling tank where the bacterial flux are allowed to sediment. This sedimentations or sedimented flux is called activated slug. A small part of the activated slug is then pumped into the aeration tank to serve as the inoculum, that is the back into the aeration tank to serve as the inoculum. The remaining part of the slug is pumped back into large tank called anaerobic slug digester, in which other anaerobic bacteria known as methanogen are also present. They digest the organic mass as well as microbes. Aerobic microbes including bacteria and fungi of the slug. During the digestion, mixture of gases like CH4, H2S, CH4, H2S, CO2, etc. are produced. These gases form biogas that is used as a source of energy because it is inflammable. The influence from secondary treatment plant is released into natural water bodies like river and stream. So these are the secondary treatments of water that treated with the help of the microorganisms like methanogen. Methanobacteria are the major components which also anaerobic are also methanogen is anaerobically bacteria present in the slug digesters. They digest the organic mass as well as aerobic bacteria. So now we discuss the second topic, microbes in production of biogas. Microbes in productions of biogas. Production of biogas. Biogas is a mixture of inflammable gases like CH4, CO2, etc., produced by microbial activities that can be used as fuel. It is used as fuel. Methanogen, particularly Methanobacterium, anaerobically breaks down cellulosic material to produce carbon dioxide and H2. Methanobacteria anaerobically breaks down cellulosic materials to produce carbon dioxide and H2. Produce CO2 and H2 in two conditions. First, anaerobic slug is sewage treatment plant, and secondly, rumen of cattle when producing nutrition to cattle. So, Indian Agriculture Research Institute and Khadi and Village Industries Commission and Khadi and Village Industries Commissions developed the technology of biogas in India. These two companies develop techniques to biogas production. So, discuss mechanism of biogas productions. How biogas produce? First, raw materials. Excreta and dung. Excreta, this is known as dung. Dung is called as the gobar. The raw materials of biogas production is excreta of cattle called gobar, which is rich in methanogen or methanobacteria. Need for biogas plants, that is made up of the concrete tank. Structures of biogas plants. The biogas plant has a concrete tank about 10 to 15 feet deep. So this is the concrete tank, which is 10 to 15 feet deep, in which bio-waste and slurry of dung is collected. This is the dung plus water, and this is slurry, which is also stored inside them. The tank has a floating cover which rises on productions of gas in the tank. Methanobacteria in the dung act on the bio-waste to produce biogas. The gas produced is supplied to nearly houses by an outlet. So this is outlets through which gas is supplied. Through another outlet, the spent slurry. The spent slurry is another outlet, is removed to be used as fertilizers. Biogas is used as fuel for cooking and lightening of the organism. So these are the structures and mechanism of the productions of biogas. Thank you.